Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a SUI card on Revolut. So it's pretty easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step. Just open up your Revolut account and go to the home page. On the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on this card icon. This is going to open up your cards menu with all your debit cards that you have on Revolut. Don't worry, it doesn't matter what type of cards you have. It works with any of the cards. So just basically select one of your cards and go to settings. In the settings menu, check out the first option. This is what we need, spend from. And with this feature, you can basically set your card to use a specific wallet. And now we want to use SUI. So let's just type it in. And when you select this and tap on confirm, from now on, for any payments and charges and subscriptions, your debit card is going to use your SUI balance. So basically you will pay in SUI. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.